Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Good morning. This is my video presentation, video defense for lab number 8 for ComSci 131 lab. So, for ComSci 131 lab, for lab 8, um, we are tasked to write an assembly program that prints the multiplication table. Right, so this is the code snippet of the high-level language, C language named main C, which will be made later. Alright, then create an ASM file called molt that computes for each product that interface with main.c. So the output must be like this. Okay, so I'm gonna okay. So this is the made um, code for molt.asm. So we have this one, and we have the space, the string space, then we have our n here. Then so at segment.text we have global underscore molt, and we have underscore molia. Then the first thing we do is here we assign the past argument n to ax from the main.c right here, right here. So this is just the argument pass. So n here, which will be EBP plus 8. Oh, I don't know, basta mo na siya na, I don't know, but wait. Alright, yeah. So 8 na din siya because I'm really sure yet why. Because when I tried 4, EBP plus 4, and this happened. So I'm not sure yet kung ano, pero it worked with EBP plus 8. So yun. So we print ay. Also ito, yeah. So at EBP plus 4 kanina, when we print the integer, how many times ba? So I don't know. Alright, so we'll just remove this one. Okay, then after we get the past argument, we move it to EAX, then from EAX we move it as value to n. Okay, and then we set EBX with 0. So we'll just use EBX and ECX as the counters I and J. Yeah. Then we jump to the for loop, which is this one. Alright, so in for loop we print the new line, which will be this one, possibly. Then we compare our I, this EBX right here, with n. So if EBX is greater than n, then we end, right? Then on then we move 0 to EX, but then we initialize J, right? Because ECX is already J here for the nested for loop. Then we proceed to the nested for loop, the second inner for loop, so second for loop. So we add 1. This is after when we multiply everything. So we'll come back there. So here, come on. So after for loop, oh yeah. So when we add 0 here, yeah, we set it to 0. Then when we enter the inner for loop, ECX, which is J here, will become 1. Alright. Then since 1 is less than, let's say n is 5, so since 3, let's say 3, so 1 is less than 3, so this will skip this one and this will proceed to this one. Then we move EX and the string space for the spacing. I'll call the string. Then we move EBX here, our I, from the outer for loop, from here, from the first for loop. Right? When we move that to EAX and then we multiply EAX with ECX, wherein ECX here is our J from the second for loop. Alright, so since we are starting with 1, so 1 times 1 is just 1. Alright, so our n was 3, so we print 1 first. Then we jump back to here. Then we add ECX again. So ECX will now be 2. Our J will now be 2. Then we compare ECX with J with our n, so 2 and 3. So since it is still less than 3, we continue this again. So again, EBX to EAX, which is 1 here. 1 times 2, so 1, so 2. So 2 is the answer. Then yeah, we jump again. So 2 will now become 3. So 3 and 3. So since it is not yet greater, so we still run this one again. So we print 3. Then we run the loop again. Then of course our ECX here becomes 4. 4. 4, yeah. So 4 is greater than our n here, 3. Then we jump to 2 for loop, done here. Then we add EBX, our I. Then we jump back to the for loop. This one. So the outer for loop. So ayan. So yeah. So na siya. Then we print the new line again. Then yeah, compare our I with n. Then we proceed to the next line to 2. Then loop again 2 for 6. So ano siya. So if we run it sa code sa terminal, this one, then we have this one, 3. So ayan. So we have the space, then we have some 0 because 0, wait, Is okay. So here pala. So we did because of this one on EBX 0. So like I forgot. Now let's just try with one. Okay. Hindi na wala. Salamat. Alright, so it works with one. Ayun. So again. Alright, so we run our NASM here. Then we gcc the show mult some main.c, the mult object. Yeah, object. So here run mult. So from 1 to, let's say, 4. Ayun, so at EBX equals to 1. This one. Ah, so basically, so there's not much use for the stack. There's not much usage of the stack, no? Because hindi ko pa masyado gets ang stack. So, ako na. So, this one lang only. But, yeah, but in general, it works naman. So, okay. So, I think that will be all, Mom, for this video presentation for lab number 8. So, thank you very much, Mom, for watching, and God bless.